Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device and a bunch of features will be displayed on your screen. Here, tap on the profile banner at the top of the screen and a new page will load up. Next, tap on the iCloud feature and then access the Photos tab. Inside it, make sure that the iCloud Photos feature is enabled. Once you've made sure of that, close the Settings app and open any type of internet browser. Now, search for iCloud.com and give it a go. Here, you will be prompted to sign into your iCloud account. Simply tap on the Sign In button and follow the instructions. After signing in, all of your synced photos will be displayed at the top. You just need to tap on it and then select the target image. After that, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner and select the download feature from the drop-down menu. This will initiate the downloading of the selected file and it will be present in your downloads section. So that's basically how you can recover deleted photos on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.